In the other videos, you learned how to use MacrosFirst to create meals that fit your macros without having to do any macro math. Now we're going to learn how to use MacrosFirst like a boss by covering some of the unique features and interactions in the app. The first tip is that you can swipe to delete literally anything in MacrosFirst. That includes foods on a meal, or even the entire meal itself. Or if we go into profile, daily goals, even goals. Every single thing in MacrosFirst you can swipe to delete. Copying meals in MacrosFirst is also super easy. Let's say you've created this killer breakfast smoothie on a day and you want to save it to your My Meals list. Doing so will save this meal to My Meals, which is sort of like your personal repository of your favorite meals. So if they're meals that you really enjoy and eat on a high frequency, this is the place to store them. And if you do that, you can just click and hold, click the Add Calendar, and save this meal to a day. So now we've just saved it to the 28th. We can also do one better. If we go back to the 27th, let's say you did a great job hitting your macros for this day, or you're a meal prepper, so you might be eating the same meals over and over. You also have the option to copy your entire day to another day. So if we put this again on the 28th, you can see that here are all of our same meals copied right over to the next day with all the same macros, so you don't have to copy them manually one by one. Folders are an awesome way to organize your saved meals in MacrosFirst. Just click the plus button and then click New Folder, where you can give it a name. And you'll see here's your new folder. Clicking into it, it's empty. And now you can add a meal to it either again by clicking the plus button to create a meal, or we can even do it one faster. So if we go back to My Meals, let's click and hold on this bacon cheeseburger, and I want to add the steak salad. If I click this move button on the bottom, you can see it asks me where do I want to move these two meals which I've selected. I can click on that folder and click move, and now we're in the keto favorites folder with the two meals. Awesome! Folders may also be used to add the entire contents of the folder, that is every meal within it, to a day in bulk. Just click and hold, click the Add to Calendar Day, and from here you can choose which day you want to copy it to. This is a super useful feature for folks who eat different meals on different days depending upon workout intensity. So if you follow a diet like RP, you could put your entire daily template into a folder and then add it to your day in one fell swoop. What's also cool is that all of these same click and hold options are also available to you on the individual meal itself. So if we click into it, click on the three dots in the top right, here are the same options to either move it, delete it, or add the meal to your day. And finally, it's really easy to export your meal history from MacrosFirst. Just click Export Meal History, select Download, and let's check your email. And you'll receive an email just like this, containing a link to download your file, which you could then forward to your coach, or really anyone else that you're working with to stay accountable and track your macros. That covers the powerful tips and tricks in MacrosFirst, and if you have any questions or comments, please drop us a line at hello@macrosfirst.com. We love hearing from you, and happy tracking.